1,000 pound-feet being the new benchmark for heavy-duty pickups. To get there, it was a lot of work. We worked very closely with the Cummins team. We started with the base architecture of the new engine is the same as the current engine. So all of the reliability and durability that our customers have come to expect that we've been delivering is still there. But we made upgrades to the block, to the pistons, to the fuel system, the induction system, the turbo, upgrades to all those systems to be able to provide that 1,000 pound-feet of torque. Once you have that under the hood, you've got to be able to get that 1,000 pound-feet to the road. So we started with the engine up front, went into an all-new Eisen 6-speed transmission, a new T-case, new drive shafts, new axles both front and rear, and then there were even modifications to the suspension. When you drop weight, everywhere you can save weight and manage weight, that equates to payload and increased capability. For the new Ram Heavy Duty, we reduced the 6.7 Cummins diesel engine weight by 60 pounds. With 1,000 pound-feet of torque and all the upgrades to the transmission, the upgrades to the transfer case, drive shafts, and axles, the result was in the most impressive number for max trailer, 35,100 pounds. No one else in the market has that right now. When we decided to go to 1,000 pound-feet of torque, obviously that piece is mainly within the engine. The rest of the truck had to go around it. Everything had to meet those requirements. And to do that, right, we needed the cooling capacity, we needed the charger cooler to have the capacity, the exhaust, and the induction. I mean, one of the reasons that the front end of the truck is the shape that it is was to actually fit that cooling module in it so that all of those engineering requirements and all of those customer expectations could be met. The heavy-duty customers want to put a trailer on their back of their truck, put a load in the back of their truck, and they want to hit the road, right? They want to be able to tow it up a grade, tow it down the road. With that 1,000 pound-feet of torque, it inspires just very, very confident truck that allows our customers to perform any of the activities that they may choose to do with their new truck. When you add all these upgrades together and put them in the new Ram Heavy Duty, it provides the most powerful, capable Ram truck ever.